Is your Revolut Junior card suddenly offline? Don't worry. Reactivating a deactivated Revolut Junior card is usually a straightforward process. The first crucial step is to reach out to Revolut support. You can do this directly through the Revolut app. Navigate to your profile section, usually found by tapping your avatar. Then look for a help or support option from there. You'll typically find a way to chat with us live. Be prepared to explain the situation. Clearly mention that your child's Revolut Junior card has been deactivated and you need assistance reactivating it. They'll likely ask for some identifying information to confirm you're the account holder, which is a standard security measure. To verify your identity, Revolut might request specific documents. This could include a governmental ID, like a passport or driving license, and possibly proof of address. Ensure you have these readily available to speed up the process. Understanding why the card might have been deactivated is also helpful, though support will confirm this. Common reasons can include suspicious activity, an expired card, or if the parent decided to temporarily disable it. Knowing the potential cause can give you context during your conversation. Once your identity is verified and the reason for deactivation is addressed, Revolut support will guide you through the specific steps to renable the card. This might involve a simple toggle within the app, or they may need to issue a new card if the old one was permanently blocked. Follow their instructions precisely. With a little help from Revolut support, your young user's card will be back in action, ready for them to continue learning valuable financial skills.